In today's video, I'm going to teach you Notion, how to create a Work With Me team manual template using Notion Agent. First, go to the Notion website and make sure you're already logged into your workspace so you can jump straight into setup. Once you're inside Notion, look over to the left sidebar and find the Agents tab. This is where you can build and manage custom agents that help automate specific tasks. Next, click the plus icon next to Agents to create a new custom agent. When Notion asks how you want to start, choose Create Blank. This gives you full control so you can manually configure the agent specifically for building a Work With Me manual template. After that, go to the Name field at the top of the Settings panel and rename the agent to Work With Me Specialist, or use any name you prefer. Giving it a clear name makes it easier to recognize later, especially if you plan to create more agents for different workflows. Now move to the Instructions section on the right-hand side. This is the core of the setup, because the instructions tell the agent exactly how it should behave and what kind of output it should create. Paste your prepared instruction text into that field. You can use your own version, copy an existing prompt, or modify it to better match your team's tone, structure, and documentation style. Once that's in place, click the Model drop-down in the Settings panel and select Claude 4, 5, or 4, 6 Sonnet. These models are a strong choice for logic, structure, and clean formatting, which is especially helpful when you want a polished internal manual. Then open the Tools and Access section. Click Add Pages and choose your team's manuals database, or the parent page where you want the generated manual to be saved. This step is important because it gives the agent permission to place the finished output in the correct location inside your workspace. When everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner. After saving, switch to the Chat tab within the agent interface. In the chat box, type Create My Work With Me manual and press Enter. That prompt kicks off the process and tells the agent to begin creating the document. From there, simply follow the agent's prompts. It may ask for details about your communication style, work preferences, decision-making approach, availability, feedback style, or collaboration expectations. As you answer, the agent will use that information to generate a formatted page directly in your Notion workspace. At this point, your main setup is done and your Work With Me manual is being created. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. As a final tip, take a moment to review the generated page after it's created. You can refine the wording, adjust sections, or tailor the format so it feels more personal and useful for your team. And that's it. Congratulations, you've successfully created a Work With Me team manual template using Notion Agent.